Gentlemen, I want to ask you a question with complete sincerity. What if I told you that there's a spot on your body the size of a coin that, by massaging it for just 1 minute a day, can reactivate circulation, improve sensitivity, and restore the vitality that seemed to have faded away over the years? It sounds hard to believe, right? It might even feel a bit uncomfortable to talk about, but stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly where that spot is, why it works, and how a simple massage can become the natural boost your body has been needing for a long time. Before we continue, I ask you for a small favor. If you care about keeping your health strong after 50, give this video a like and tell me in the comments from which part of Spain or the world you're watching us. I love seeing men supporting each other, sharing experiences and learning together. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos on men's health, vitality and well-being. Most men believe that after 50, performance issues are something inevitable. They think circulation slows down, testosterone decreases, and intimacy gets complicated. That's why many choose to ignore it or turn to a pill when things don't respond like they used to. But the truth is different. Age isn't the enemy. The real problem is the accumulated tension in the pelvic area and poor circulation. Over the years, from hours spent sitting, stress, and lack of movement, the pelvic floor muscles, the ones that control erections, urination, and even sensitivity, become tense and weak at the same time. Imagine an old rubber band that's stretched out, but has lost its elasticity. That's exactly what happens inside the body. Blood vessels harden, nerves get compressed, and what used to happen naturally now requires more effort or simply stops occurring. But here's the good news. It can be recovered. In the next few minutes, Dr. Sofía Mendoza, with over 10 years of experience helping men regain their energy and confidence, will explain how to do it step by step. By releasing tension and stimulating circulation in the right spot, it's possible to reactivate the entire system from its foundation. That spot I'm talking about has been recognized for centuries in traditional medicine, and now modern science is starting to explain why it works too. For those arriving at the channel for the first time, I'm Dr. Sofía Mendoza, a doctor with over 10 years of experience helping men recover their vitality, confidence, and health without resorting to drugs or unnecessary procedures. Over the years, I've seen how small, natural gestures can restore the energy and intimacy that many believed were lost forever. Today, I want to guide you step by step through one of the simplest and most powerful techniques that exist, the perineal massage, known in some traditions as the $1 million spot. But before explaining how to do it, let's talk about the most common mistakes that block male potency. Mistakes that this massage helps correct. Mistake number 3. Ignoring pelvic tension. Many men aren't aware that they keep their pelvic floor muscles in constant contraction. Stress, long hours sitting, or even the habit of holding in the urge to urinate cause those muscles to lock up little by little. What happens then? Blood vessels get compressed, nerves lose sensitivity, and circulation slows down. This massage helps release that hidden tension, like undoing a knot that's been limiting your natural performance for years. Mistake number 2. Relying only on pills. It's true they can help in the moment, but they don't address the real cause. They temporarily force the body to increase blood flow, but they don't restore the flexibility of the vessels or the strength of the nerves. That's why, over time, the effect wears off. In contrast, this technique retrains the body naturally, creating real and lasting improvements. Mistake number 1. Believing that age means decline. This is the biggest mistake of all. I've treated many men in their 60s and 70s who thought it was too late, but after recovering circulation and sensitivity in just a few weeks, they also regained their confidence and intimate life. Now, let's move to the practical part. I'll explain how to do it step by step. Step 1. Locate the spot. The area is called the perineum, and it's located between the scrotum and the anus. Right in the center, there's a slightly softer zone. If pressing it causes a mild sensitivity, you're in the right place. Step 2. Get comfortable. You can sit on the edge of a chair or lie on your back with your knees bent. The important thing is to be able to access it without straining your posture. Step 3. Apply gentle pressure. Use your index and middle fingers. Press with the same firmness you'd use to check if a tomato is ripe. Firm, but without causing pain. Step 4. Massage for 60 seconds. You can do it with small circular movements. 30 seconds in one direction and 30 in the other. Or by pressing for 5 seconds and then releasing. You can also try gentle up and down motions. Step 5. Use the right oil. This is where you can enhance the effects. Castor oil penetrates deeply, improves circulation, and reduces inflammation. Coconut oil is gentle, antibacterial, and supports hormonal balance. And black cumin seed oil, highly valued in traditional medicine, can help stimulate natural testosterone production. Before applying it, warm the oil between your hands. The contact with the skin will be much more pleasant. Step 6. Choose the ideal time. Doing it once a day is enough. The best times are in the morning, when testosterone levels are highest, or at night to relax the body and promote nighttime circulation. Think of it like an exercise. Consistency matters more than intensity. 1 minute a day is better than 10 minutes once a week. I know some of you might feel uncomfortable hearing about this, but there's no reason for it. Maybe you've never touched that part of your body and think, is this really for me? Let me reassure you, yes, it is. There's nothing weird or shameful about it. It's about reclaiming the function, dignity, and freedom that time doesn't have to take away from you. I remember a 62-year-old patient who confessed he'd completely given up on intimacy. After just 3 weeks of practicing this massage consistently, not only did his function improve, but he noticed something unexpected. His hip pain disappeared, he had better bladder control, and above all, he felt like himself again. That's what it's really about. Not just performance, but quality of life. So, gentlemen, take this with you. Massage this spot for 1 minute a day. Use natural oils to amplify the effects. Be consistent, and in a few weeks, you'll notice changes that no pill can provide. Don't let age define your vitality. Sometimes the simplest gestures are the ones that restore, not just the body, but also the confidence and connection with the people you love. If this message has given you hope, give it a like and help it reach more men who need it. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're building a community of men who refuse to surrender to time. And in the comments, share what small change you're willing to start this week. This is Dr. Sofía Mendoza speaking, reminding you that you're not broken, you're not too old, and you can still feel fully alive. Take that first step today. Your future self will thank you.